Hello gorgeous, bienvenidos or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz and I'm here today with a new video. So for today's video, I decided to sit down in front of my window with natural lighting, get ready, and use everything affordable from the drugstore. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let's do some makeup and let's get ready. To start off, I'm going to use this Milani Supercharged Dewy Primer. I want to say, excuse if you hear some noise. So I wanted to sit here and get ready because I wanted you guys to see all my imperfections, all my flaws, because sometimes studio lights, they throw off all of this, and I want you guys to know that we are not perfect. Makeup only helps to make you feel beautiful more than what you already are, and to hide all that imperfection. Excuse me. So this is all that I have going on. I have a lot of pores, blemishes, discoloration. Today my eyes are so puffy. I don't understand. And I slept good. Look at this. Okay, moving on. I'm going to use this e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Eye Cream. I don't use this much, but since my eyes are so puffy today, let's give it a shot. I'm going to let that sit on my skin for a little bit, and I'm going to move on with eyebrows. Right here I have the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. So I'm going to outline with this, then I'm going to fill it in with powder. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to use the LA Colors Brow Kit. I think I have mine in medium. Yes, medium. And I'm going to take this. Now I'm going to move on with the other primer, which is the e.l.f. Liquid Putty Primer. And I'm going to put this on my T-zone. So I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the shade 108 Caramel Beige. I hope this is my shade because we shall see. I'm gonna shake it. Nope, but it's okay. We're gonna have to make it work. Taking my Real Techniques buffing buffing brush. So let me give you guys a close-up of how this is looking. Moving on with concealer, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Full Wear. I have this one in the shade 370 Biscuit. And it is, but oh well. My eyes are very watery as well. So my nose and my eyes are very watery, and makeup doesn't last much here on my outer corners. So I want to take a moment to thank you guys for supporting my channel, for supporting me. I am doing this because I really enjoy sitting here recording, doing first impressions, doing my makeup. I'm not a makeup pro, I'm not a makeup artist whatsoever. I just enjoy sitting, recording, playing with makeup. I make a lot of mistakes and I grow and I learn every day. So the fact that you guys are sitting here and watching me means a lot to me. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. So I'm going to blend that concealer with the Rare Beauty concealer brush. Oh my god, this looks bright. Hi. Okay, I'm liking it. To set the under eyes and the rest of the face, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. I'm going to blend the creases because my eyes are very creasy. Taking that powder, and setting everything. I'm going to remove it right away because I don't want it to bake. I just want to set and remove. Now let's move on to bronze the skin, and I'm going to use the Black Radiance pressed powder in Bronze Glow. A little bit because I am a little too pale right now. I'm gonna put some right here to make it look slimmer. Just tiny bit to bring some warmth back into that nose. Nothing too intense. Now I'm going to go in with the same bronzer and just apply it all over the lid to bring some warmth back in there. That's the only thing I'm gonna do on my lid today, since we're done with powders. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. Wow Brow in deep brown. So moving on to lashes, I'm going to use this one and this one. I did a first impression on this Falsies from Maybelline and I really did not like it. I'm gonna give it a second try. Now I'm going to go in with the essence on the other eye so you guys can see the difference. Alright, so do you see that? I'm gonna put a second coat on this eye. Let's do a second coat of this one. So I'm gonna pop a little blue. I'm going to do a lower lash pop of color, and it's going to be this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Electric. I'm gonna like smudge it there. Oh, look at this color, that's beautiful. So let's put that. For blush today, I'm going to use the e.l.f. blush palette. This one right here. Let's use all of them. Just gonna apply it right here. Let me get my mirror because I'm not seeing nothing. For lips today, I'm going to use the NYX Line Loud in Global Citizen and the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Bad Habit. These lip liners from NYX, they glide on like butter. Look at that beautiful color. It is the perfect nude for my skin tone. Now I'm going to put the ColourPop just a little bit, like right here. Let me blend this. To finish it, I'm going to use the Essence Shine Shine Shine, the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist from e.l.f. Let me give you guys a close-up of the makeup. That completes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comments down below. Do you like this kind of videos where it's like more natural, or do you prefer the studio lights and all that professionalism? Please let me know down below in the comments. I hope you stay safe, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye.